Hello and welcome back. Right now, Pony 1992's car needs a little special attention, so I'm going to give it to it. Right, we're going to put a new pumpkin in here, get some 456 gear under this Billy Goat. We're going to put a few new knuckles on here, and we're going to go fast this year.
Oh, yeah.
Stand by, more to come.
That's right. As you can see, Mr. T. Hetzler is in the house. Come to help me out because we got something on this car that's got to go. See that thing up in there? That thing has got to be replaced by this thing over here. It's got to be replaced by this thing. Yep, that's right. 456 gears are going in Project Stepchild as we speak. The work has begun. A little update on the Nova. Today we actually just got back from getting the tailpipes put on. So now we have tailpipes on the car. It's actually even a little bit quieter. So we're definitely gonna have to get cutouts for Miss Nova because she wants it loud. Let me get you under, see if I can get you. There it is, tucked away. Looking good right there. Nice and tucked up under. She sounds good and the car is running amazing. Love it. Me and Mr. Hetzler have been cruising in this thing.
Oh yeah.
Getting compliments everywhere we go. Everybody loves it. But it still ain't won a trophy yet. Maybe that'll change. Anyway, let me quit babbling here. I gotta get to work, man. T is outworking me over here. We're gonna get busy. All right, so there we go. Look at that. The differential is out. Once again, the ass end is torn out of this car, man. I don't know. Well, we won't get kind of weird with it. But anyway, there's a differential there. And I do want to show you guys something. T's going to model this, but I'm going to try to pick it up on camera. Yeah, see if you can turn it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's the front bolt on the driver's side. But it has a slight bend in it. And if you guys remember, this is the Steeda through bolt kit. This is the big daddy of all bolt kits for this differential. And we've got a bent bolt. So I think what I'm gonna do is try to find some grade 8s and see if we can't, just replace that with some grade 8s. And that way we can get the new diff, which is way over there. That way we can get that in the car because I don't want this car to be down for bolts. And I'm not spending that kind of money on bolts again. This bolt kit is not cheap, that's for sure. And we have to look at the other bolts too to see if any of those are. But that was just something I noticed real quick. That was bent when it was coming out. So, because it was kind of wobbling. Let's come out, but I'm gonna give y'all a shot. You can see the differentials out of there. It's been working, man. Yeah, so I'll continue this video once I figure out if I can find some bolts.
Breakfast of Champions. Here's the Ken. I know he loves this stuff.
Do the do.
We are sponsored by Mountain Dew Zero.
I wish.
I wish. You got that right.
we'd be doing that. All right, y'all. Man, we are beat. Look at T, man.
What is going on?
He's worked his behind off today.
Hell of a day, but it's well worth it. That's for sure.
We got everything buttoned back up except for the wheels, obviously. And it's looking pretty good, man. Actually saved some weight on these brakes, too. The rotors are lighter, and we can't use the dust shield, so that's weight saved. Let me take you underneath real quick to show you what we did about the bolts here. So, let's see if you can see up there. What we did is we drilled out the ears on the diff cover, and we're using 9/16 grade 8 bolts. Picked them up from the hardware store. Not a bad price. So you can see the back side there. And I don't know if I can get you the front side. You might can see this one. There's the front side there. And we got 6-inch long, so we've got as much unthreaded part of the bolt as possible in there around the shear point. So hopefully this will hold, hopefully this won't bend. So this was our solution. Hopefully it works. All right, so hopefully you guys can hear me. We have got the car finished up. Wheels are back on, it's back on the ground. Just finished filling up the differential, and it's time for a test drive. So hopefully my camera angle is not messed up, but yeah, I'm ready to drive this car, man, and see how it does. Kind of nervous, not gonna lie. I hope the gears don't whine a lot. You know, this is still a street car, so I don't want a bunch of whining because my suspension is solid in the rear. So it will bring out some whine. It even did it with the factory gears. So I don't know, wish me luck. Let's see how this goes. All right, so first impressions, I do get a little bit of gear whine. It's not terrible. You can probably hear it right now. But it's about the way the stock gears were, honestly. Stock gears, everything was good when the car was mostly stock in the rear. But now, like I said, got solid everything. So even the stock gears had some whine to them, and this is about the equivalent to that. So hopefully with any luck, the whine won't get any louder or change pitch or frequency or something like that and it'll drive me crazy. Hope not, because I can live with this. I mean, it is what it is. So yeah, so now I just need to drive around varying my speed. These are Richmond gears, and they do say to give it a 500-mile break-in. I don't know if I'm gonna reach that many number of miles with this car because I don't drive it that much, and they don't want it all highway miles either. You need to vary speeds and stuff like that. So I don't know, we're gonna do the best that we can, breaking in the gears, and it is what it is, man. And then we're hopefully get to the track soon. So let me get some driving out of the way today, and I will be back to close out this video. So there you have it. 456 gears are installed. The AED knuckles are installed. Man, it was a nice little test drive. It does feel a little quicker. I didn't get on it too hard, but made a couple little small pulls in third gear, and she scoots on down the road. So, man, I think everything went well, and I think everything went correctly. We shall see. I do have a little bit of clearance issue on the driver's side. The hat of the brake rotor is barely touching one of the little tabs or one of the little feet, whatever, on the caliper. So I may have to do a little bit of grinding on that caliper to, it wouldn't take but like a millimeter clearance, but the clearance on these AED knuckles was set up for the brakes and stuff is really tight, man. They couldn't have gotten any tighter on the clearances. So to have that happen, it's not too big of a deal. So anyway, I've got to put some miles on this car. Richmond says 500 miles to break in. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to that. So I don't know. We've got other work to do on it, but I'm gonna wait on that for a little bit. Got something coming that I've been needing for a long time, and you guys will see it, and it'll help me with anything that I do in the shop. So I'm pretty excited about that. Can't wait for it to get here. But that's gonna do it, man. We've got this done. Now I've got to figure out what wheels I can go with. It's not looking too good so far with the same JMS wheels that I'm using, but in a 15-inch version. It's not looking that good, so I'm not sure. I got to do some more measuring and, I don't know, see what I can fit on there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. So I do want to give a huge shout out to T. Hetzler, man, that come all the way down here just to help me out, man. That is awesome. T, man, I appreciate it. Had a blast, dude. And he got to experience the grumpy pony. I was kind of grumpy last night, but I don't know. I made it through it, and we had a good time, man, cutting up and just having a good time and doing some wrenching. And I really appreciate him coming all the way down here just to help me out. That was awesome. So anyway, hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, because we got more coming with Stepchild, more coming with the Nova, and we'll see you on the next one.